this is how I do the 8-layer dip. For example, for Super Bowl or other fun events. I prepared refried beans and some ingredients before I recorded the video. Add 1 can of refried beans. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Tablespoons of water. Add salt and pepper. Stir it. Transfer to a serving dish. Half a cup of sour cream. You add the ingredients on layers. A half a cup of grated cheddar. One can of green chiles. Give this video a like if you like this video. 2 plum tomatoes. 1 avocado. 1 cup of romaine lettuce. And the last thing I added was 2 scallions. And you can eat it with nacho or tortilla chips. Thank you for watching and see you next time.